Hey guys, Gretchen here with part 2 of 3 for Kava Reiki level 4. This one, the previous one, what we did was we went really deep into our meditations, right? We went in, we cleaned that heart chamber, we cleaned that heart, put it on the altar. It's all nice. It has no blocks, it has no booby traps, it has no cords. If there was a cord, you should really be concerned about that one because they'll probably try to record you, record you, reattach that cord to you. Anyway. I'll protect that heart a little bit. So this one, we will be using the Be True symbol, that universal love symbol, Be True. We will be going back into that heart chamber. What we're going to do here is we're going to heal the chakras. We're going to heal the heart chakra and the dantian point behind it. So in healing the heart and everything, and we need to keep this in mind too as Reiki masters, when we invite our people to release, we need to replace what is released, or you have these empty spots, right? So we're going to go back into that heart chamber, and we're going to see the chakras. And however you see the chakras, if you see the blocks, we're going to remove those blocks. Use Seiko. If you see more blocks, use Seiko to help you with those blocks, as well as Be True. So you're going to remove the blocks from that heart chakra and from that dantian point behind it. You're going to go completely around both the heart chakra and the dantian point, taking out the blocks, looking for tears, looking for holes, seeing if that chakra is a little weak, maybe wobbling to one side, off its axis a little bit. We're going to spend a great deal of time repairing that chakra, repairing that dantian point, because we have that heart nice and healed, right? Let's get that chakra and that dantian point nice and healed. I'm going to flip over to my notes. You guys are used to this. You're used to this by now. If you're a Kava Reiki, you're definitely used to this. So you will, get further down my notes, apologies. All right, so this is going to be called opening the heart. So you'll be opening it, getting rid of the rest of those blocks. Like I said, use Seiko if you need to. Call on your guides, your guardians, your ancestors. Kuan Yin is a really good ascended master to work with any heart things whatsoever. Physical, metaphysical, energy, etheric, all of the things. Kuan Yin is very, very, very good with heart issues. Let's see, make sure that your heart chakra is fully aligned, fully open and spinning, not wobbly, not lopsided. Once all the blocks are removed and the heart chakra is healed, the opening will begin to take place. You'll see the heart chamber as an open area without the walls or the doors, okay? So before we had to wait for it to open, go through the door, find the altar. So with this part, we opened up that heart. Okay, we healed it in the first part. We opened it with this part. We're healing the chakra and the dantian point. And please keep in mind, I did say go all the way around that chakra, because a lot of times our clients will picture that chakra coming from the front, right? Because we don't have eyes in the back of our head. We have those feelings in the back of our head, in the back of us, but we don't have those eyes. We need to really envision those chakra points going all the way around us. They don't sit here in the front. They're in the middle on your, in the middle in that Sushumna. So they do emit all the way around your body. And for them to be cleared, for them to have that complete alignment, you will be emitting them all the way around your body. So that's what we really, really need to work with, especially with the ones that have those dantian points, the sacral, the heart, and the third eye. Heart is the biggie for the Kava because, heart Reiki. So we will make sure that we have completely repaired our chakras and completely repaired our dantian points. We're going to go back in, and when we see that the walls are gone from our heart chamber, that it's no longer a chamber, that it's more of an open area with your heart on an altar, and you have these shining chakras and these shiny pure dantian points, then we're ready to move on to number 3. There is going to be an attunement after this one. You just did the other attunement. It's a little different, isn't it? Yeah, this one's going to be around the same lines. We're going to do a lot of that guided visualization going back into that heart chakra, that heart dantian area. I'm going to guide you a bit with that. And I will be enhancing it, of course, with Reiki, my own Reiki energies. And those beautiful Kava numbers, we're going to amp that up so we can get this powerful love energy flowing through you, because in order to heal, you need that really light heart, right? Release that ego and that control, have that light heart and that faith, that you're an amazing healer and that you're doing this correctly. I promise you, you're not a fraud. You got this. This is just adding to the modalities that you already have. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you'd like to see more, I do a lot of Reiki videos. We're in the Kava series. I'm also doing Kundalini attunements. And after this, pardon, we will be going back a little bit to do the Usui Reiki Grandmaster levels and Shambhala 1024, also the Shambhala Grandmaster levels. That's what that one is. And then I have a lot of Reiki requests, which I will be getting to. I also do some herbalism videos and trauma release. I am a trauma yogi, so I am working on my trauma program. So I am with Reikis and some guided meditations to release that trauma from your past, narcissistic childhoods, addiction, all of that. But like I said, I do mostly Reiki. Please hit that subscribe button for me. And until next time, namaste.